Sheriff,
What's that, Deputy?
I have a feeling that we've been here before.
Yeah. You're right about that, because we come out here about 10 times a day.
No, that's not it. No. There's something especially different about today.
What do you mean by that, Deputy? I mean, it's just
Whoa! Sheriff!
What? Did you hear that? Hey, actually I did. You know what? You might be right about that for once. You're usually never right, but you might be about this one. How about we go over here and check things out?
Let's do it.
Yeah, come on now. All right. What? Where are you going?
I'm going this way.
Where? Over towards the outhouse and that funny looking tree over there?
Yeah,
What's over there?
Well,
I bet you 5 to 1 there's nothing over there. Now come on, let's go.
But there's something over there I gotta investigate.
Oh, is there now? Oh yeah? Oh, okay. Something like, oh, maybe I had Sparkies for lunch and you could just tell me that? Yeah? Okay, alright, fine. Just go take care of your business. Wash your hands this time, alright?
Thank you, I'll do it for you, Sheriff.
Great. As a matter of fact, you might as well just stay out here. Alright, folks, since my deputy is a little bit indisposed right now, if you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna need some extra eyes out here for any trouble that might be lurking around, so I have to rely on y'all to be my eyes and ears, okay? So, if y'all see anything suspicious, I don't know, like any mask-wearing bandits, you know, maybe those red mask-wearing bandits, you know, something like that. What? What's that? Behind me? Okay, alright. I was kidding about it. I'll take a look for y'all. Humor y'all, okay? World. It's just the saloon, the jail, the livery. Come on now, folks. Seriously? Really? What I got something on my face? Y'all just making fun of me now. Seriously. Okay, alright, fine. I'll look one more time and one more time only. On the count of 3 really quick, okay? 1, 2, 3. Nothing there. Come on now, y'all just pulling my leg at this point. Bye, go. I want to go in the bank here and make a quick deposit, okay? I'm trying to go see a movie later, so I need to make sure my funds are acceptable. All right. Whoa! Hey, Dennis! Oh. Why in the world did y'all not tell me someone's behind me? Thanks, buddy. You like that? Here, put that on real quick. Look better with it. Yeah, here we go. All right. All right. Pause. Okay, ready? Come on now. Whoa. Look what I found here in Blue Shack, my very own sheriff. What's the big idea? Somebody could get hurt out here. That's exactly right, Sheriff. Looks like I got the drop on you there, bandit. Looks like I got the drop on you. Oh boy. Okay. Now, I'll take it cool, be easy. Who in the world are you two fellas? Well, I am so glad that you asked. My name is Texas Pete. Yeah. Whoa! You better watch it. I'm watching you. This here is my partner Tabasco. What? Tough crowd. And together we are the Bandits! Hot Sauce Bandits! Oh, my goodness! That's pretty good. Whoa. Okay, hold on just a second, Deputy. I think they might be serious.
You know what? We're serious. And guess what there, Sheriff?
Oh.
That is your real name. You are going to go up there and you're going to give me that gold.
Guess what, buddy?
What?
I ain't getting you that gold.
Why not?
Well, because that's a land payment for the Indians.
And if you take that land payment, every brave in these mountains will be after you too.
Yeah, that is true.
Tabasco. Back over here. You're going to be long gone by then. Oh, you're right. Well, that's too bad because we're going to be long gone by then. So why don't you march your honey up there and get me my gold? Honey.
Okay, all right, Deputy, I don't think he quite understood me the first time.
Lay it down for me.
Lay down the law here, okay? Hey, I ain't getting no gold for no burgundy bandana sporting, booger picking, booger eating, Ninja Turtle wearing mask bandit like you. Oh yeah? Yep.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
All right then.
Oh, there you go. All right. Oh, for mercy's sake.
Hey!
Come here.
Yeah.
Come here. I'm done getting you. Surprise.
Here's what it's about to talk to my girlfriend now.
Hey!
Come here.
Thank you very much. Now, back to what I was saying. You and your little deputy's gonna go up there and give me my gold.
Marshal ain't showing up. Oh, great. Okay. Just gonna be honest with you here. I'm just gonna spit this out.
What is it?
There's no gold on that train.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Nope.
There's no gold at all. You know why? You know why? Because we took it up to Fort Boone.
Whoa, deputy! You were not supposed to say that.
Well, I guess we're gonna be taking a little field trip up to Fort Boone. Now, Sheriff, if you'll be so kind as to get on the train car at Tabasco, you know what to do.
Oh yeah, all right, everybody. We're gonna be passing amongst you our collective valuables.
It's the thought that counts, right?
All right, Casey Jones, these bandits look serious. We better head up on to Fort Boone, please. I've been the conductor on this train for a mighty long time. I've seen a lot of people try to rob the old Tweetsie train. None of them have ever been successful. Until now. Doesn't look like anybody's coming to our rescue, so unfortunately, it looks like the bad guys have finally won.
That's absolutely right there, Mr. Conduct. You're supposed to be here for your fresh little passengers. Yeah! Tabasco, I want you to make this your rope. I want you to tie up your ball head.
You got it, Murdoch.
Oh! Some coppers here. What do you call it? Don't say that! We are big coat bandits now, okay? We have got code names think you know this? No, York Tabasco out of Texas Pete.
Texas Pete.
Yes.
God.
Get over there. Tie those two up.
Mr. Lawman, we stand back to back, please.
Yes, sir.
Help you out.
All this one.
Yeah.
Well,
Because I'm Teddy, yes, I'm the real Teddy. All you other swim Teddies that come from us.
What are you
From
doing?
the real, I'm singing.
well, stop singing.
It's more of a rap.
Don't rap.
Is it because I'm white?
Wrap them up. Don't wrap yourself. Thank you. Now I'm going to go inside the fort. You stay out here with these two. Keep an eye on them.
Hey, Merv.
What? Yes. Sure. They're not going anywhere anytime soon. So, you go this way, I'm going to go that way. In the middle. We'll get over here. Before the train. Okay, inside the fort. Come on. Well,
Worked up with all that shouting. Hey, what in the world is going on out here?
John Trevor, we're tied up.
I can see that.
Yeah, we're tied up because the flaming hot sauce bandits came and tied us up.
The Flaming Hot Sauce Bandits are in here. In my fort.
Yes, they're in your fort and they're looking for your gold.
Yeah. They're helping. They're helping. Oh, wow. Thank y'all. My goodness, y'all showed up just in time. What were the chances of that?
Pretty good. Chief told us you were coming with the gold, so he sent us ahead, make sure nothing funny happened. Not that we don't trust you, but we don't trust you.
Well, under the circumstances, I don't blame you, honestly. Now, you see, there's the bad guys are in the fort right now.
And then the gold's in the fort. So how are we going to get the bad guys, get the gold, round everything up, and save the day like heroes?
Well, Red Bull and White Cloud have already gone inside. We're going to go in and join them, round up the bad guys.